Solve the following equation. Check the solution by substitution. Show all work. Alright, well this is a multi-step problem. So the first thing we got to do is simplify the equation on each side. First part of simplifying is going to be to distribute. So we need to distribute the minus 3. Before we do that, let's read exactly what this equation states. This equation says 8x minus 3 times 4x minus 1 equals 3x plus 20. Well, when we distribute, even though this is actually minus 3 times something, for distributing we're going to assume that it's a negative 3, because minus is the same thing as plus negative 3. So we bring down the 8x here. When I distribute negative 3, it gives me negative 12x. So we'll make that like a minus 12x. And then negative 3 times negative 1 gives me positive 3. So we'll make that like a plus 3. All of that is equal to 3x plus 20 that we'll just bring down. Okay, the second part of simplify is to combine all the like terms on each side. Well, on the left side of the equal sign, we've got two variables with x, 8 and minus 12. When we combine those, we get negative 4x, and we'll just bring down the rest. Now we have finished all the simplifying, and it is only a two-step problem. For a two-step problem, we ask ourselves, which x is lower, negative 4x or 3x? Well, of course, negative 4x is lower. To get rid of a negative 4x, I need to add 4x to both sides. So we'll do that. Negative 4x plus 3, and then we'll add 4x here on the left side. And we've also got to do it over here on the right side. Well, on the left side, negative 4x and plus 4x add up to be 0, so the only thing remaining on the left side is 3. And on the right side, we have a total now of 7x's plus 20. Now we are down to a two-step equation. A two-step equation says that we need to get x by itself. Well, in order to get x by itself, I've got to start by subtracting 20 from both sides. So to subtract 20 from both sides, I'll write 3 minus 20 equals 7x plus 20 minus 20. Well, on the left side over here, we've got negative 17. On the right side, we've got 7x plus 0 now. Now we're down to a one-step equation. A one-step equation says to divide both sides by the number next to the variable. Well, we're going to divide both sides by 7. That way we end up with just 1x. So if I divide by 7 over here, 7 divided by 7 is 1, and I end up with just 1x. And then over here, dividing by 7 leaves me with negative 17 over 7. Sorry about that stray mark up there. So my answer is negative 17 over 7. We could check this by substitution just like we did on number 4. The quick and easiest way would be to use the calculator and check and see that both sides of the equal sign come out to be the same answer.